So this is the third video of CSAT. This is 21st question. So let's get started. Consider all 3-digit numbers. All 3-digit numbers means 3-digit number starts from 100 and ends with 999, right? So without repetition of digits. Without repetition of digits means what you have to understand means this kind of 999, 777, this kind of numbers will not be taken. And using 3 non-zero digits, and 0 should not be used, means 100 also should not be taken, 999, 777, all these kind of numbers should not be taken without using 3 non-zero digits, which are multiples of 3. Start with the 3 multiples. Start with the 3 multiples. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, right? So these are the 3-digit numbers of 3 multiples. So let S be their sum. S be their sum. Sum is 18. Sum is 18. Means S equals to 18. Means see here you can also take you can also take this as 963, 639, like this. So S equals to, sum equals to 18. So here it is, statement 1 is telling that S is always divisible by 74. 18 is not divisible by 74, so wrong. Second statement is telling that S is always divisible by 9. Yes, 9 to the 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So statement 2 is correct. So correct answer is option B, 2 only. 22nd question. There are 2 classes A and B having 25 and 30 students. A is having 25 students, B is having 30 students in the class, and in that highest score is 21 and lowest score is 17. So highest score is 21, lowest score is 17, and in B the highest score is 30 and the lowest score is 22. Okay, lowest score is 22. So here 4 students are shifted from class A to class B. See here the highest score is 21. If the 21 scorer students will, 4 students will shift to shift to class B, then here the average rate definitely decreases, because here the highest score is less, 21. Here the highest score is very much more. Okay, so that's why here the score of class B will definitely go down. I'm so sorry, here I didn't mention option B. Option B, the score of class B will definitely decrease, because here all are having highest score is 21. If these people are shifted from class A to class B, the score of class B will decrease. The score of class B decreases is the second option, B option, and is correct. This is B only, 2 only. So 23rd question. Statement 1 is telling that Priya is 4 ranks below Seema, 4 ranks less than Seema, and is 31st from the bottom. See, Priya is 31st from the bottom and 4 ranks below Seema. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 means Seema will be here, 4 ranks below Seema. Okay, so we can say that easily 29, 28, 27. Seema's rank is 27 from this statement 1, because here in question it is asking about what is Seema's rank from the top in the class of 40 students. From the top also we can say 27, we can say, means we can estimate from statement 1. Okay, so statement 1 is correct. Coming to statement 2, Ina is 2 ranks above Seema, 2 ranks above Seema. See here, Ina above Seema and is 37th from the bottom. See, Ina is 37th. Ina is 37th means 2 ranks above, means Seema will be 38, 39, 40. Seema will be 40. So with this statement 2 also we can easily say what is the rank of Seema. So we can say, see, if we are using half from statement 1 and half from statement 2, then we can keep both statements 1 and 2. But here we are getting answer by using statement 1 alone individually and by using statement 2 alone individually. So here the correct answer will be option C. Either statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. 24th question, consider the following statements. Statement 1, each of A and D is heavier than each of B, E and F, but none of them is the heaviest. Okay, what statement? See, before seeing statements, you have to see, first step you have to see is question. Then after you have to go with statement 1, then immediately you should not go with statement 2. First you have to go with question and you have to see statement 1, whether statement 1 is sufficient to solve the question. You have to solve and see, then after you should move on to statement 2. So statement 1 is telling that each of A and D, means A individually, D individually, is heavier than B, E, F. B, E, F, but none of them is heaviest. Okay, statement 2 is telling that A is heavier than D. Statement 1 is telling that each of individually A and D is heavier than B, E and F. Means here we can say only A, C, D. Means here we can say only A, C, D. By statement 1 we can say only A, C, D is heavier. Okay, then B, E, F. Here A, C, D is the confusion. Okay, means by using first statement we can say A, C, D, 3 are heavier. We cannot say who is the heaviest, single person we cannot say. Okay, so hold on statement 1. Coming to statement 2, A is heavier than D but lighter than C. Okay, means C is heavier than A here. So A and D, more than A and D, C is heavier. These we got to know in statement 2. Okay, half we got to know in statement 1 and half we got to know in statement 2. So by using both statements 1 and 2 are required to answer the question. Option C is correct. And also C is the heaviest. C. Coming to 25th question, in the English alphabet the first 4 letters are written in opposite order, means like A, B, C, D. Okay, and also next 4 letters are written in opposite order and so on at the end, means so on till the Z. But here one more condition, Y and Z are interchanged. So we'll do first that thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Okay, then Y, Z means Z, Y. Okay, because it is interchanged, these two alphabets are interchanged, Y and Z. Which will be the 4th letter to the right of 13th letter? First, before knowing this, first we have to know what is the 13th letter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. P. 13th letter equals to P. What is the 4th right alphabet of 13? 1, 2, 3, 4. T is the 4th right of 13th letter, means the correct answer is option D. 26th question, 7 books P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are placed side by side. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. R, Q and T have blue covers and other books have red covers. Q, R, T blue covers and other books have red covers. See, remaining book P, S, U, V have red covers. Okay. S and U are new books. S and U. See here, in what happens, in question, much of additional information will be given for confusing, but the focus will be only on here what they asked to find out. So here in question, what they asked to find out is books of old gadgeters with blue covers are. See, we know that blue covers are Q, R, T, 3, right? And that has to be old gadgeters. Okay, so let us read the books. Only S and U are new books. Here it doesn't matter about new books, and the rest are old books. And P R and S are law reports, and the rest, sorry, here grammar mistake, the rest are, see, P R S, P means R you have to strike off because it is the law report, clearly mentioned law report. P R S law report means here we have, see, U and V doesn't has blue color cover, right? Only what alphabets have blue cover? R, Q and T. In this R got strike off because of law report, and Q and T are the old gadgeters with blue covers, so that's why Q and T is correct answer, option C. 27th question, replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence. So here some incorrect term is given that should be replaced with correct term. So let's get started. Where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. See, odd terms and even terms follow the same difference between the numbers. Okay, odd terms 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, 43, odd terms. Okay, plus 4, so plus 6, plus 8, plus 10, plus 12. Okay, if you go to second digit, all these have 2 plus 2 plus gaps. Okay, means 2 numbers of 2, but it starts with 4. Okay, plus 4 has to come. Okay, plus 4 has to come. See, plus 4 has to come, and plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 has to get increased. So same pattern has to follow for even terms. We will see now even terms. Even terms are 2, 4, 10, 18, 28, 40. See here, plus 2 here we are getting, but here we have to get plus 4. Here plus 6 is same, here plus 8 is same, here plus 10 is same, and plus 12 is same. See here, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, the same pattern which applied for odd numbers is getting here, but here only we have to keep plus 4, means this will change as 6, 4 will be changed as, so 4 is the incorrect number, and 4 should be replaced by 6. So correct answer is option D, 6. 28th question, the following is the matrix of certain entries. So this entries follows the trend row wise. Okay, remember this word row wise. Here they didn't mention like directly see column wise or row wise or calculate this missing entry. Here it is clearly mentioned, find the answer row wise. Okay, it becomes easy if in question it is given clearly, it becomes easy. So choose the missing entry accordingly. So here B alphabet is there, A alphabet is there, C alphabet is there. See, row wise means, always remember, row wise means like this, horizontally. Column wise means vertically. Okay, so A, B, C is there. Okay, and 7 plus 3 which gives 10. At the same time, coming to next column, C is there, B is there, A is there. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Okay, third column, A is there, B is there. So sorry, A is there, C is there, B has to come here. Okay, 10. See here, 7 plus 3 becomes 10 here, and 3 plus 6 becomes 9 here, and at the same time 10 minus 7 becomes 3, no, which we here we got, means here 13 minus 10 becomes 3. So the correct answer is 3B. 3B is the correct answer. I didn't mention the options here. Let me write the options also. Option A is 9B, option B is 3A, option C is 3B. So option C is correct answer. Option D is 3C. All these options are wrong. Sorry that I didn't mention options here. If I have forgot it. Option C is correct, that is 3B. So 29th question, a person from place A and another person from place B set out at the same time to walk towards each other. The places are separated by the distance of 15 km. X walks with a uniform speed of 1.5 km per hour and Y walks with a uniform speed of 1 km per hour in the first hour and with a uniform speed of 1.25 km per hour in the second hour and with a uniform speed of 1.5 km per hour and so on. Statement 1 is telling that they take 5 hours to meet. Statement 2 is telling that they meet midway between A and B. So we have to see whether statement 1 follows or 2 follows or both follows or neither one or not two statement follows. See here, X, Y, distance is 15 kilometers. They are from place A, place B. Okay, we have to calculate it for 5 hours because in statement 1 it is showing 5 hours. Okay, for first hour the X value is 1.5 and Y value is plus 1 means 2.5. So this 2.5 has to be deducted from 15 total value, which gives 12.5. Okay, first hour distance is, so after 1 hour the distance is 12.5. As it is calculated for second hour, X value is constant here, 1.5 plus 1.25, 1.5 plus 1.25 which gives 2.75. Okay, this 2.75 has to be deducted from 12.5 which gives the value 9.75. And for third hour, see, if you observe here one thing, here it is 1 kilometer, 1.25, 1.5, so constantly, which is increasing continuously, 0.25, 0.25. Okay, this we have to take it up to 5 hours. Coming to third hour, 1.5 plus 1.50 plus 1.50 which gives 1.5, 1.5, 3. This 3 has to be deducted from 9.75 which gives the result 6.75. Coming to fourth hour, 1.5 plus 1.75 which gives 1.75 which gives 3.25. So this 3.25 has to be deducted from 6.75 which gives the result 3.50. Okay, last fifth hour, 1.5 X value is, Y value is 2, means 3.5. See, 3.5, 3.5. So we will be getting 0 here, fifth hour. So statement 1 is correct. They take 5 hours to meet. And second statement is telling that they meet midway between A and B. So we have to take here for completely 5 hours we have calculated, and X is constantly the value is 1.5. So 1.5 into 5 hours means 7.5. Okay, 7.5 is the half of 15 kilometers. Exactly, they meet midway between A and B. So statement 2 is also correct. So here the correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Moving to 30th question. A student appeared in 6 papers. The maximum marks are the same for each paper. His marks in the 3 papers are in the proportion of 5:6 ratio, 6 ratio, 7 ratio, 8 ratio, 9 ratio, 10. Overall, he scored 60%. In how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks? So, firstly you have to do is the total papers are 6. Assume that each paper the maximum marks are 100, so 100 into 6 the total will be 600. Okay, and he scored 60%. Overall speed is 60%, and you have to calculate here 6 subjects. Now 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, which gives the result 45. Okay, so here what is asking in question means, in how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks? Okay, so maximum marks here you have to calculate, and the percentage is 60. Percentage is 60, so 60 into 6 papers equals to 360. Okay, so for first thing he scored 5 by 45 into 360, which gives the result, see, 9 5s are 9 40s are 5 1s are 5 8s are 40%, and this is paper 1, so he scored less than 60%. Okay, this is the one, paper 1. Paper 2, 6 by 45 into 360, which gives, same calculate like this only, which gives 48. And coming to paper 3, 7 by 45 into 360, which gives the result 56. This is also less than 60%. 8 by 45 into 360, same like this. 9 5s are 9 40s are 5 1s are 5 8s are 8 into 8s are 64. Okay, so this is more than 60%. So only paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. So in 3 papers he scored less than 60% of the maximum marks. So here correct answer is 3. Okay, so 3 is in option B. Option B is correct answer.